So there was a bursted water pipe in our house for about 10 days. We just found out yesterday when we came back home. So there is a lot of water damage, like this ceiling needs to be replaced, those plaster walls, they're all gone, need to tear them down and put the new drywall ones. Upstairs is okay, upstairs there is no problem. Also this light doesn't light up, I'm not sure if it's maybe just the bulb or maybe there is some problem with wiring, have to check it. Okay, this is our living room. All the ceiling needs to be replaced, and we are not sure what caused such a big problem. There must be a water pipe somewhere there which bursted, so we have to find it and fix it. So we need to replace the ceiling and the wall, but maybe not all of it. Like this wall looks okay, and this one here is gone, so we need to take it down and put the new drywall. This is plaster, by the way. Also this wall needs to be replaced. This is our basement. So there was a lot of water in the basement. All those concrete paint went off. I found one of the bursted water pipes, which is here. This one needs to be fixed. And also there is a lot of water coming from up there, so I need to fix it also. That is our project to fix.